Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore building and configuring custom agents in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Imagine Sarah, Director of Compliance at Contoso Medical. Her inbox is flooded daily with repetitive employee questions about policies, remote work, patient data handling. This manual burden consumes hours of her week, highlighting a critical bottleneck. To resolve this, Sarah decides to build a custom Microsoft 365 Copilot agent. This agent will act as a frontline HR and compliance assistant, aiming to streamline these routine inquiries and free up valuable time. Sarah's custom agent can't be generic. When sensitive questions about medical leave arise, the AI cannot guess. Responses must be legally accurate, perfectly aligned with Contoso Medical's official guidelines, and entirely free from speculation. This scenario underscores a crucial skill for an AI business professional: supplying an agent with exact, verified knowledge. In Microsoft 365 Copilot, giving an agent specific documents to read and reference is known as grounding. Grounding is the process of anchoring the AI's responses to a specific set of organizational data. Grounding essentially places a strict boundary around the Copilot. Instead of allowing it to search its vast general training data, you're telling the agent, only look in this specific folder, and only read these specific policy PDFs. Do not attempt to invent an answer. This foundational concept transforms a standard AI chatbot into a secure, enterprise-grade business tool. Understanding grounding's absolute necessity means recognizing the risks of skipping it. When a generative AI model attempts to answer a question without specific verified data, it might suffer from fabrication or hallucination. This is when the AI confidently generates a response that sounds plausible but is factually incorrect or completely invented. In a business setting, especially concerning compliance, legal regulations, or human resources, a hallucination can be disastrous. Imagine an ungrounded Copilot incorrectly telling an employee they're entitled to 6 months of paid leave. The liability would be immense. By configuring the agent's knowledge strictly with verified policy handbooks, you completely eliminate the AI's need to guess. When grounded in specific Microsoft SharePoint or OneDrive files, it acts as an ultra-fast reader and summarizer of your organization's truth. In the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, adding knowledge to a Copilot agent is incredibly intuitive. You don't need to be a developer. You simply point the agent to specific Word documents, PDF files, or a designated SharePoint document library housing all the up-to-date employee handbooks. Once attached, the agent instantly indexes them. Supplying the knowledge files is only half of the equation. To ensure the agent behaves exactly as Sarah needs it to, she must also configure the agent's instructions. Instructions are the underlying rules that dictate the agent's persona, tone, and operational boundaries. They serve as the agent's job description, telling it who it is and exactly how it should handle situations where the provided knowledge does not contain the answer. Let's look at an example for an HR compliance agent. The prompt defines the agent. You are the Contoso Medical HR and Compliance Assistant. Its primary role is to answer employee questions regarding internal policies, benefits, and compliance protocols. It must maintain a formal, professional, and empathetic tone at all times. This establishes a clear identity and communication style, crucial for sensitive HR interactions. Beyond persona, critical rules enforce responsible AI usage. Rule 1 states, You may only answer questions using the information found in the attached policy handbooks and compliance documents. Rule 2 reinforces this. Do not use external knowledge, search the web, or guess. These rules explicitly forbid the AI from inventing answers or looking outside its verified knowledge base, ensuring all responses are authoritative and accurate.